Did you know the right fuel additives can restore lost power, improve mileage by up to 15%, and clean years of carbon in a single tank? Today, we're breaking down 13 fuel additives that truly work. The ones proven to smooth idle, boost economy, and extend engine life. And 5 that can silently destroy pumps and injectors. Stay to the end because one of the worst additives on the market is also a bestseller. Number 13. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple Max Clean is one of the few fuel additives that doesn't rely on bold marketing because it doesn't need to. It's a balanced, well-engineered formula that targets carbon buildup in injectors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber while also stabilizing ethanol-blended fuel. That makes it useful not just for daily drivers, but also for anyone who stores a vehicle for long periods. What sets Max Clean apart is its consistency. It works in both gasoline and diesel engines and offers solid cleaning and corrosion protection with a single treatment. It's not as chemically aggressive as the higher-end professional products on this list, which is why it lands at number 13. But for everyday preventative maintenance, it delivers reliable results without unnecessary risk. Number 12. Liquimoly Jectron. Liquimoly's Jectron fuel injection cleaner is built on the same reputation that defines most of German engineering: precise, efficient, and carefully tested. It's specifically formulated to clean fuel injectors and improve combustion efficiency, without altering octane or affecting sensitive engine components. One thing that separates Jectron from generic cleaners is its focus. It doesn't try to handle every problem in one bottle. It's designed purely for fuel system cleaning, and it performs that task exceptionally well. Many European vehicle owners use it routinely to maintain clean injectors, smooth idling, and consistent throttle response, especially in engines that are sensitive to poor fuel quality. You won't get dramatic changes overnight, but you will notice steady improvement over time. Number 11. Milex Performance Fuel Additives. Milex might not have the same brand recognition as Liquimoly, but among enthusiasts and fleet operators, it's known for its focus on improving combustion efficiency and reducing emissions. Their fuel additives are formulated for both gasoline and diesel applications, offering cleaning, lubrication, and stability benefits in one package. What gives Milex an edge is its versatility. The brand's additives help engines maintain clean injector nozzles and stable combustion, which can extend fuel system life in high mileage or mixed-use vehicles. It's particularly useful for drivers who rely on lower quality fuel, since it compensates for some of the deficiencies found in cheaper blends. It's not an aggressive cleaner like BG44K or Techron, but it's a reliable long-term solution. Number 10. Fuel Right Diesel and Gasoline Additives. Fuel Right is a brand that often flies under the radar because it's more common in industrial and fleet applications. But that's also what makes it stand out. These additives were designed for large-scale use. Think marine engines, generators, and heavy-duty vehicles, where corrosion, sludge, and microbial growth in fuel tanks can cause serious problems. The brand's formulations focus heavily on corrosion inhibition and water control, two issues that can affect diesel systems in particular. For consumer vehicles, that translates to long-term protection of fuel pumps, injectors, and storage tanks. It's not a flashy cleaner, but a preventative treatment that protects the system from the inside out. Fuel Right's real value lies in its durability. For drivers who store vehicles, use ethanol-blended fuel, or live in humid environments, it helps prevent the silent damage that comes from moisture and oxidation. Number 9. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. Unlike most additives that focus solely on the fuel system, Cataclean goes a step further. It's designed to clean not just the injectors and combustion chambers, but also the entire exhaust pathway, including catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and EGR valves. What sets Cataclean apart is its chemistry. It helps reduce carbon buildup that can restrict exhaust flow or trigger engine warning lights, especially in older or high-mileage vehicles. While it's not a replacement for mechanical cleaning, Cataclean offers a comprehensive solution for systems affected by incomplete combustion and exhaust residue. Number 8. Howe's Diesel Defender. When it comes to diesel additives, Howe's Diesel Defender stands out as a trusted choice among long-haul drivers and fleet operators. It's specifically engineered to handle the issues diesel engines face daily: water contamination, injector wear, and fuel gelling in cold conditions. Diesel Defender works by improving lubricity, cleaning injectors, and adding a layer of protection that keeps fuel pumps and delivery systems operating smoothly. It's also one of the few diesel treatments known for preventing winter fuel gelling without relying on alcohol-based agents that can dry out seals or strip lubricants. They're reliable, consistent, and easy to integrate into routine maintenance. Number 7. Schaefer Oil Fuel Additives. Schaefer Oil brings a slightly different approach to fuel additives, combining performance chemistry with sustainability. Their soy-based formulations provide cleaning and lubricating properties while being more environmentally considerate than traditional solvent-heavy products. These additives reduce injector deposits, stabilize fuel, and improve combustion efficiency, especially in older or high-mileage engines. What's most impressive is how Schaefer balances effective cleaning with gentle chemistry that doesn't harm seals or components. It's also a brand that's well-respected among professional operators and heavy equipment users. Their products are built around real-world testing rather than marketing promises, and that commitment to long-term performance has earned them a strong following. Number 6. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline SI1 is the kind of cleaner enthusiasts turn to when standard treatments aren't enough. It's engineered with a high concentration of detergents that target stubborn injector and combustion chamber deposits. What sets SI1 apart is its strength. It's designed to handle engines that have built up years of carbon, varnish, or gum from inconsistent fuel quality. Mechanics often recommend it for older vehicles or high-mileage cars showing hesitation, rough idling, or declining performance. Because it's so potent, it's not meant for routine monthly use. Overuse in newer engines may be unnecessary, but for engines that need serious deposit removal, SI1 delivers results that are immediately noticeable in throttle response and overall smoothness. Number 5. Gum Out Regain High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner. Gum Out Regain is specifically formulated for high-mileage vehicles. Think 75,000 miles and above or cars that haven't received consistent maintenance over the years. Its formula combines fuel system cleaning agents with seal conditioners that help preserve rubber components in older engines. Drivers often report improvements in idle stability and slight gains in fuel efficiency after just a tank or two. Its mild but effective approach ensures that it's strong enough to clean but gentle enough to use without worrying about aggressive chemical side effects. Regain is ideal as a preventative maintenance additive for aging engines. It's the type of product you reach for every few thousand miles to keep your fuel system in good shape and prevent costly issues down the road. Number 4. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam is the Swiss Army knife of fuel additives. Unlike products that focus solely on injectors or high-performance cleaning, Seafoam works across the entire system, fuel, intake, and combustion chamber. It's suitable for both gasoline and diesel engines depending on the variant. The strength of Seafoam lies in its versatility. It not only cleans injectors but also helps reduce deposits on intake valves and stabilizes fuel for storage. Many owners use it for routine maintenance, while others rely on it as a prep step before long-term storage or before emissions testing. Its cleaning action is gentler than heavy-duty products like Redline SI1, making it a solid choice for everyday drivers who want reliable performance without overkill. It won't shock an engine back to life like a professional-grade additive, but it keeps things clean and consistent. Number 3. Lucas Oil Deep Clean. Lucas Oil's Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner is a well-regarded option for drivers who want dependable results without overcomplicating things. It combines strong detergents with lubricating agents that protect injectors, valves, and fuel pumps, helping extend component life while improving overall combustion efficiency. Lucas has built its reputation on producing no-nonsense additives that simply work. Deep Clean follows that same pattern. It's affordable, effective, and safe for regular use. It doesn't promise unrealistic gains, but many users report smoother running engines and reduced hesitation after a few tanks. It's not as technically advanced as the top-tier chemical formulations on this list, but its dependability earns it a solid spot here. Number 2. BG44K. Among professionals and service centers, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner is considered a benchmark product. It's a high-strength formula that uses a concentrated dose of polyethylamine, or PEA, one of the most effective cleaning agents available for fuel systems. BG44K targets carbon deposits inside the injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, restoring lost performance and fuel efficiency. It's typically used as a periodic deep clean, not something you pour in every fill-up, but every few months or as part of a service routine. The results are often noticeable within a single tank of fuel, especially in engines that have seen heavy use or irregular maintenance. Because of its professional-grade concentration, BG44K is priced higher than most consumer-level cleaners. But it earns its reputation through proven chemistry and real results. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Chevron's Techron Concentrate Plus has built a reputation over decades as one of the most trusted consumer fuel additives available. It's powered by polyethyramine, the same high-grade detergent found in professional formulations, and that's what makes it so effective. Techron's main strength is consistency. It cleans fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers without being overly harsh, and it's been tested across countless engines with reliable results. Many automakers, including GM, have even recommended Techron as part of routine maintenance for vehicles experiencing poor fuel economy or hesitation. It's also easy to use. You add a bottle before a fill-up, drive normally, and let it do its job. It won't perform miracles overnight, but over time, it helps your engine maintain efficiency and performance. Now, while all those 13 fuel additives actually work, not everything that claims to help your engine actually does. Some products can do more harm than good, especially when they rely on harsh solvents, unproven formulas, and marketing hype over chemistry. So before you grab just any bottle off the shelf, here are 5 additives that could slowly kill your car, either by damaging components, reducing lubrication, or leaving behind more residue than they remove. Number 5. Marvel Mystery Oil. For decades, Marvel Mystery Oil has had a devoted following, mostly because of nostalgia. It's one of those old-school products that claim to lubricate everything and clean everything, from fuel systems to piston rings. The truth is, it's mostly a light oil with solvent content that can thin out your motor oil or alter the balance of modern fuel blends. While it might have helped in older carbureted engines, today's direct injection and tight tolerance motors aren't built for this kind of universal treatment. Over time, it can reduce oil viscosity, damage oxygen sensors, and leave deposits in injectors. Number 4. Gumout Octane Booster. Gumout makes several good products, but their Octane Booster isn't one of them. It promises increased performance and reduced knocking, but the results are inconsistent at best and potentially harmful at worst. Most octane boosters like this rely on metallic additives, such as manganese compounds, MMT, which can leave behind orange or brown deposits on spark plugs and oxygen sensors. These deposits interfere with accurate readings and over time degrade combustion efficiency. The end result? You might gain a tiny performance bump, but you'll likely shorten the life of your sensors and catalytic converter. It's an expensive shortcut that rarely delivers what the bottle claims. Number 3. STP Gas Treatment. The STP gas treatment found in most convenience stores looks like an easy fix for fuel economy issues, but its actual concentration of detergents is so low that it doesn't provide any meaningful cleaning effect. The problem isn't that it's destructive by itself, it's that drivers often use it too often, thinking more is better. Additive overload can disrupt the fuel's proper combustion balance, especially in engines designed for tight tolerances. Overuse can also lead to incomplete combustion and carbon buildup, exactly the opposite of what it's supposed to prevent. If your fuel additive feels like it's doing nothing, it probably is. And in this case, that nothing slowly turns into buildup over time. Number 2. Miracle Ethanol Treatments. Walk through any auto parts store and you'll find at least a dozen bottles claiming to neutralize ethanol, reverse phase separation, or remove water instantly. Most of these are vague, generic blends made by off-brand or private label companies, often with no disclosed ingredients. The truth is, ethanol can't be removed from gasoline once it's blended, and no additive can fully counteract its effects. These cheap miracle treatments often contain alcohol-based solvents that strip lubricants from fuel systems, accelerate seal wear, and can even cause corrosion in aluminum parts. If the label sounds too dramatic to be real, it probably is. In most cases, you're better off buying from a known brand or sticking with fuel that already includes detergent packages certified by automakers. Number 1. Homemade or DIY additives. At the very top of the never use list are homemade or internet recipe fuel additives. Those that tell you to mix acetone, ATF fluid, or diesel with gasoline to improve mileage or clean injectors. These mixtures are dangerously unpredictable. Acetone can eat through seals in fuel lines. ATF fluid leaves ash and residue not designed for combustion. And unregulated chemicals can throw off your engine's air-fuel ratio entirely. Engines are built with precise tolerances and chemical compatibility standards, and dumping in random household solvents or oils is a fast track to clogging injectors, fouling plugs, and damaging sensors. No matter how convincing that online forum post sounds, never pour chemistry experiments into your tank. In the end, the difference between an additive that works and one that wrecks your car comes down to chemistry, not marketing. Stick with proven brands backed by data, OEM approval, or decades of reputation, and avoid products that promise instant miracles. Did I forget to include another product? Let me know in the comments.